Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
And a black flight, Pelican flight is on the roll. Copy, black flight rolling. Copy, a left turn to 125 is on. Trail A20 is streaming, you need a break.
This is 1. He's engaging. This is 1. Target is out of range.
He's off to your clean.
Freeze dropped. Coming left.
So today we're going to look at Combat Box's Friday Night Flights put on by Sketch. So it's a team-based event and you have to register on the Friday Night Flights website. Sketch may email you the details or put on a stream and the following information is presented. Everyone should attend the briefing on Discord 30 minutes prior to mission start. There will be an access briefing and an allied briefing. To play, players must be on SRS to communicate. Once the briefing is over, you are dismissed into your teams, and then you have 13 minutes to discuss strategies and get yourself sorted out before the game starts. Real-life missions contain weather briefings and also intel for the different targets. There's a great variety of targets for both sides. So your team's objective is to destroy as many enemy assets while you're trying to protect your own. So this is the Allied briefing. Primary targets for us as allies are a troop concentration, a tank convoy, and an artillery position, plus several moving trains, a railway station, and diving submarines. By landing at select forward airfields, we can also rearm, repair, and refuel. Just follow the instructions, and you can rearm and take off in no time at all. Okay, so let's take off and do a couple of sorties on this mission.
Okay, what's this say? Channel 1 radio 1 or channel 2 radio 1? We're on channel 1 radio 1. And I got lights on. So black flight is at the left fire here. I guess we'll go ahead and go first. Take off and circle, link up with those guys. But yeah, if you guys want to stay tight with us, it's probably better from a escort standpoint.
Kobe, you got us on Discord? Roger. So you're transmitting on.
Black flight rolling.
So if your other one says channel 4, that's why we can't hear you, because you got it.
And flight lead went to 33. Let me know if you guys can't see tight or not. Pelican black has you in sight. If you want to turn out the target, we'll be with you. And Pelican flight, roger. And Seattle level off at 5,000. We should be alright. We'll probably get there about the same time. Okay, roger. Pelicans turning towards Stinks. Okay, bomber flight, we turn left. And black flight, can you get a couple of fighters up here right away so they can drag flag? We're going to have to go and separate it to hit that Takeoff. Copy. I'll try to send one down. We got multiple contacts here in the area of target we're going to have to look at.
Yeah, there's 4 or 5 contacts up there for us.
Starting the dive, stay tight.
Oh, they've got fighters on them.
The road at our 12 o'clock is what the tanks are on. I'll be zooming and trying to find them.
This is 2, firing.
Okay, bomber flight,
I might take a shot at it. There's one, take a shot at this guy.
Do we have the flight engaged currently?
Yes, we are engaged.
Is engaged over the targets, tanks and artillery.
This is one.
Copy. We're seeing a furball right on the coast. That's it. Please help. We're coming. I've got the tanks in sight. They're just up there where the road turns to the left. Remember your bomb on exit.
Oh, sorry, I flew ahead of you. I guess I'll just drop them. Sorry, I didn't mean to fly ahead of you.
Eagle flight to all the others. We just got the U-boat.
I'm wounded.
Trail A20 is streaming. You need a break.
This is one. He's engaging. This is one. Target is out of range.
He's off to your clean.
Three's dropped. Coming left. Not sure that I'm going to make it over this hill.
This is 2, target is out of range.
Osprey's dead. Pilot kill.
And a black flight, Pelican flight is on the roll. Copy, black flight rolling. Copy, a left turn to 125 is
So with proper fighter escort, the bombers can do their work. And it's a lot of fun. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you up there.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.